Mastering collocations in formal writing. Create and edit texts like a pro. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into the world of collocations, specifically focusing on how to apply them in formal writing. Collocations are words that naturally go together, and understanding them can take your English to a whole new level. Stick with us as we guide you through creating and editing sample texts, weaving in the right collocations to make your writing sound more natural and professional. Collocations can give your formal writing an edge, making it sound more fluent and natural. Remember, collocations can be combinations of verbs and nouns, adjectives and nouns, adverbs and adjectives, and more. For example, conduct research, significant impact, and highly beneficial are all collocations you might find in a formal text. To practice, let's create a short piece of formal writing. Imagine you're writing a business proposal or an academic essay. Begin with an outline, and try to integrate collocations naturally. Here's an example. Current research indicates that adopting green technology has a significant impact on an organization's sustainability. This proposal aims to provide solutions for implementing eco-friendly practices within our operations. Notice the collocations? Let's keep practicing. Editing is a crucial step. Here, you're not just checking for mistakes. You're also looking for opportunities to improve your text by adding relevant collocations. Consider the previous example. Recent studies have shown that the adoption of green technology plays a significant role in an organization's sustainability. This proposal aims to offer feasible strategies for integrating eco-friendly practices into our operations. By replacing some words and adding new collocations, we've made our text even more formal and polished. Your turn. Try creating a formal text using collocations. Write about a topic that interests you and see how many collocations you can naturally weave in. Afterward, revisit your text and try editing it for better collocations. The key is practice, so keep writing and editing. Remember, mastering collocations can make a huge difference in your English writing skills. Keep practicing, stay curious, and continue to explore the fascinating world of language. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, happy learning!